Hi friends, this video shows how to do screen mirroring with Android TV. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. First let me go to TV. In TV, go to settings. Select settings icon from top right corner. Go to network and internet. Under network and internet, you can see I have connected this TV to Wi-Fi network named Wi-Fi 2024. If you don't have Wi-Fi router, then you can use mobile hotspot. After this, let me go to mobile phone. In mobile phone, go to settings. Tap on the settings app icon. Go to network and internet. Go to internet. Tap here. Here you can see I have connected this mobile phone to same Wi-Fi network Wi-Fi 2024. This is very important. We have to connect both mobile phone and TV to same Wi-Fi network or mobile hotspot. After this, we can start screen mirroring. In mobile phone, again go to settings. Tap on the settings app icon. Go to connected devices. Tap here. Go to connection preferences. Tap here. Go to cast. Under cast, you can see that this phone has detected all nearby TVs. You can see Google TV. Then this is the name of the Android TV which I am using. This TV. Tap on this TV name. Tap on start now. See screen mirroring working. If you want to switch display to full screen, you can enable screen rotation in mobile phone, then just rotate the phone. That way we can switch display to full screen in TV. Next I will show you how we can stop this mirroring. Again go to settings, go to cast. Here you can see the name of the connected TV. Tap on this connected TV. Tap on disconnect. Done. So this way we can do screen mirroring with Android TV. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.